Welcome back, everyone, to the Blazor Hybrid Beginner Series. I'm your host, James Montemagno, a program manager on the developer community team here at Microsoft. And we've made it. We've made it to the very end. We've built an entire Blazor Hybrid application powered by .NET MAUI, and we shared our components and pages and business logic with a full Blazor web app. That's right. If you're here and you've made it along the way, let me recap what we've done. We've learned all about the architecture. We created our first Blazor hybrid application powered by .NET MAUI, taking a look at the architecture using Visual Studio 2022. We also saw how to get set up using Visual Studio Code. From there, we built a full to-do application where we actually save that data locally to disk, and we added some native functionality like connectivity. And then inside of our iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows apps, we leverage native tab control. We also saw how to blend in native components into that MAUI application and share business logic between them. Then from there, we took all of that new logic that we built, our items, our services, our file saving, and the web UI, and we shared it with a brand new Blazor web app. So now we're blending these worlds together, and you can take it a step further. You can add more and bring all of those worlds together to share all of your components and web pages. Now, what's next? Well, there's tons of great learning opportunities for you, and I want to share some of my favorite links. So let's head over first to the .NET website. This is a place to go to learn everything about what you can build with .NET. Now, I want to point out two important things. First is the community tab right here, where you can find out all the places to interact with the .NET community and with the .NET team, from blogs, GitHub, LinkedIn, documentation, Twitter, Mastodon, TikTok, all the places that you can possibly go. If you have questions, there's forums, Stack Overflow, Discords, and more, and all of the latest news. Additionally, under features, you'll see all of the things that you can build with .NET, including Blazor and .NET MAUI, the multi-platform app UI. If you click on Blazor, you can learn all about Blazor and click an easy getting started tutorial, or where I would head is the documentation. This will show you and talk through every single part of Blazor and, of course, ASP.NET Core. You'll also find a Blazor hybrid directory here that's going to show you all about how to use .NET MAUI, WinForms, or WPF, and give you additional information such as routing, static files, class libraries, security and identity, publishing, and more. I would also tell you, head on that documentation and click on .NET MAUI right there. There's tons of great .NET MAUI documentation, including accessing those platform APIs and integrations that we covered in a previous video. Now, if you want to go a step further and learn more about building with Razor and Blazor and .NET MAUI, head over to Microsoft Learn. From there, click on Training. This will show you all of the learning paths that are available, and under Products, you can click on .NET. This is your home landing page for all self-guided training with .NET, from learning C# to building backend APIs and to building full web apps with Blazor and building mobile and desktop apps with .NET MAUI. This gives you everything that you need. If you're like me and you love videos, well, head over to the .NET YouTube. Jam that subscribe button so you always get up to date, because the team and community are releasing videos every single month, not only about new features, but also from conferences and the beginner series as well. So definitely check that out. All right, there you have it. From start to finish, building amazing mobile desktop and web applications with Blazor, Blazor Hybrid, and .NET MAUI. We use all of our existing C# and .NET knowledge, and we use our favorite libraries that exist both in Blazor and .NET MAUI to build awesome applications. I'm going to put links to all my favorite documentation and videos in the show notes below, and also to the source code. If you like this video and you're over there on YouTube, make sure you share this entire series with your friends and jam that like and subscribe button. I want to thank you for coming along on this Blazor Hybrid journey with me, and I would love to hear your feedback on any of the videos or on this one. Please leave a comment below. And until next time, happy coding, and thanks for watching.